Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open TikTok apps on mute. So if you are surprised when you open TikTok and the volume is loud, and here I'm going to show you the trick on how you open the TikTok apps on mute. So first you can just open the TikTok apps, then go to your profile. Click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, then find the settings and privacy. And after that, you can just scroll down and tap on this playback option. So here you can see there is this setting, open TikTok on mute. So the settings is now currently off. So if you want to mute by default when you open TikTok, you need to enable this. So click on the circle here. So after that, you can just go back. So when you open TikTok again, the videos will be on mute, and you can unmute videos or by tapping it, or use your device's volume controls. So that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.